Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Motorola Moto G14 and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So let's start with the fastest way, which will allow you to check the IMEI number. It is by using a secret code. We have to open the dialer in order to be actually able to enter it, and the code is *##06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. Let's tap on OK and let me show you another way through the settings. It will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work or you will simply forget about it. So we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom in order to find About Phone. Now let's scroll down again to find both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.